Best 1.5 ton AC for home 2022. Number 5 Samsung 1.5 ton 3-star Inverter Split AC. Split AC 1.5 ton suitable for medium-sized rooms, 111 to 150 square feet. Warranty: 1 year on product, 10 years on compressor. The air conditioner uses the next generation R32 refrigerant. Number 4 LG 1.5 ton 5-star Wi-Fi inverter window AC. Capacity: 1.5 ton. Suitable for medium-sized rooms, 111 to 150 square feet. Warranty: 1 year. Comprehensive: 10 years. Compressor with gas charging TNC. Refrigerant gas, R32. Environment friendly, no ozone depletion potential and low global warming. Number 3 Carrier 1.5 ton 5-star Inverter Split AC. FlexiCool convertible 6-in-1 cooling, InstaCool with the directional control, dual filtration with HD and PM 2.5 filter. Warranty: 1 year on product, 10 years on compressor. Suitable for mid-sized rooms, 111 square feet to 150 square feet. Number 2 Panasonic 1.5 ton 5-star Wi-Fi twin cool inverter split air conditioner. Suitable for medium-sized rooms, 121 to 180 square feet. Warranty: 1 year comprehensive, 5 years on PCB, 10 years on compressor, 5 years on outdoor casing. Number 1 Sanyo 1.5 ton 5-star dual inverter wide split AC. Suitable for medium-sized rooms, up to 180 square feet. Warranty: 1 year on product, 1 year on condenser, 5 years on compressor. Split AC with dual inverter compressor. Glacier mode for instant cooling. Inbuilt Pm 2.5 filter and anti-dust filter which purifies air and improves air quality. Cooling capacity: 5100 watts. Noise level: 43 dB. Stabilizer free operation.